Ever found yourself puzzled by the recent heavy downpour in Dubai? A city known for its scorching sun and desert landscapes, suddenly being graced by a series of heavy rainfalls. Surprising, isn't it? This unexpected weather has stirred up quite a bit of curiosity. It's not every day that we witness such a spectacle in this part of the world. Dubai, a city synonymous with towering skyscrapers and sun-drenched beaches, has always been perceived as a place where the sun reigns supreme. The arid desert climate that characterizes this bustling metropolis makes these sudden showers seem all the more unusual. But what if we told you there's more to this weather pattern than meets the eye? What if these sudden downpours aren't as random as they seem? Intriguing, isn't it? The weather, often taken for granted, can sometimes prove to be a fascinating subject. So, are you ready to delve into the mystery? Stay tuned to unlock the science behind this weather anomaly. Traditionally, Dubai is synonymous with sun-soaked deserts, isn't it? When we think of Dubai, we picture a landscape dominated by towering sand dunes, bathed in the relentless heat of the sun. This is not a mirage, but the reality of a city that sits in the heart of a desert. A city that has made its mark on the world, despite its challenging climate. Dubai is nestled within the Arabian Desert, and its climate reflects this perfectly. It's characterized as a hot desert climate, with two main seasons, summer and winter. The summers here are exceptionally hot, often reaching 50 degrees Celsius, and the winters mild, with temperatures ranging from 14 to 23 degrees Celsius. This is the typical Dubai climate, a pattern that's been consistent for generations. Rainfall, however, is a rare occurrence. The city sees an average of just 100 millimeters of precipitation each year, mostly falling between December and March. In this desert city, rain is an event, a welcome respite from the relentless heat, a cause for celebration even. But recently, Dubai has been experiencing something quite unusual: heavy rain. And we're not talking about a mere drizzle or a passing shower. We're talking about downpours so intense they've caused flooding in some areas. This is starkly at odds with the city's usual weather. Imagine, a city known for its scorching sun and expansive deserts, now grappling with heavy rainfall. It's as if the city has been flipped on its head, the familiar replaced with the unexpected. And this isn't a one-off event. These heavy rains have been occurring with increasing frequency over the past few years. This drastic weather shift has left many scratching their heads. How can a city, known for its arid climate and scarce rainfall, suddenly find itself in the midst of heavy downpours? What's causing this weather anomaly? Is it a sign of changing global weather patterns, or is there something else at play here? So, what could possibly cause such a dramatic weather switch? Let's dive into the science. Rain, in its essence, is a simple process, or so it seems. Let's break it down into bite-sized bits that anyone can digest. Imagine a water droplet hanging out on the surface of a body of water, say, the Persian Gulf. When the sun's rays touch this droplet, it heats up and transforms into an invisible gas known as water vapor. This transformation, my friends, is what we call evaporation. Now, our tiny water vapor particle isn't one to stay put. It rises up into the sky, joining billions of other water vapor particles. The higher it climbs, the cooler it gets. And as the temperature drops, our water vapor particle undergoes another transformation. It changes back into a liquid, forming a tiny droplet once again. This is condensation, the second stage of our process. These droplets group together in the sky, creating clouds. And when these clouds become too heavy to hold all these droplets, something magical happens. They fall back to the ground as rain, a process we call precipitation. So there you have it, the life of a raindrop in three simple stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. This cycle keeps the Earth's water supply in check, moving water from one place to another, and ensuring life as we know it can continue. But here's where things get interesting. If the process is this straightforward, you might be asking, why don't we have rain all the time? Well, that's because certain conditions must be met for this process to occur. Factors like temperature, air pressure, and humidity all play crucial roles in the formation of rain. And this brings us to our million-dollar question. If the conditions in Dubai are typically not conducive to rainfall, with its high temperatures and low humidity, how come we've seen such a heavy downpour lately? But then, why did this process go into overdrive in Dubai recently? Stay tuned, and we'll delve into the mystery in the next scene. Can humans make it rain? Sounds like a plot from a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But here's a fun fact. It's a reality in Dubai, so how do they do it? The answer is through a technique called cloud seeding. Cloud seeding is a fascinating process where certain substances, typically silver iodide or potassium iodide, are released into the clouds. These substances act as a core, encouraging the minute water droplets in the clouds to condense around them. This process enhances the cloud's ability to produce rain, turning a potentially dry day into a downpour. Now you might be wondering, why would Dubai, a city known for its scorching heat and endless sand dunes, want more rain? The answer lies in a problem that many arid regions face: water scarcity. With scant natural freshwater sources, the city has had to get inventive, and cloud seeding is part of that inventive solution. Over the past couple of decades, Dubai has been using this technology to increase rainfall, thereby boosting their water reserves. The city has even taken it a step further by using drones to release electrical charges into the clouds, stimulating rainfall. It's like a high-tech rain dance. This technique is not without its critics, however. Some argue that it's not entirely clear how effective cloud seeding really is, or what the potential long-term environmental impacts might be. But for now, it's an important tool in Dubai's arsenal against water scarcity. It's fascinating, isn't it? The idea that we can manipulate the weather to our advantage, turning the sky from clear to cloudy, and then making it pour. It's almost like playing God. But in a world where climate change and water scarcity are becoming increasingly pressing issues, these kinds of innovative solutions are not just exciting, they're necessary. And there we have it, the secret behind Dubai's heavy rain. So now that we know why it rains so heavily in Dubai, what does this mean for the city? Well, let's consider the implications. For starters, the heavy rainfall is a blessing for the water supply. Dubai, much like other regions in the Middle East, relies heavily on desalination and underground water sources. Both these methods are not only costly, but also pose environmental concerns. The sudden and heavy downpour offers a natural replenishment of these water sources. This rainwater can be harvested and stored for use in drier periods, providing a more sustainable and eco-friendly water source. But with every silver lining comes a cloud, and in this case, it's quite literal. The city's infrastructure, designed for a desert climate, may find itself strained under such heavy rainfall. The drainage systems, roads, and buildings are not constructed to handle such a drastic weather change. Flooding and waterlogging are real challenges that the city might face, leading to traffic jams, property damage, and possibly even power outages. Another point to consider is the impact on the local flora and fauna. The desert ecosystem is delicate, and sudden changes can disrupt the balance. While some species may thrive, others may find it harder to adapt. But remember, every challenge presents an opportunity for growth and innovation. Dubai, known for its technological advancements and ambitious projects, may take this as a chance to improve its infrastructure and adapt to these unexpected weather changes. It could lead to the development of smarter, more resilient cities that can handle a wider range of weather conditions. In conclusion, the heavy rainfall in Dubai is a clear demonstration that even the driest regions aren't immune to Mother Nature's surprises. It has potential benefits, like boosting the water supply, but also brings challenges that need to be addressed. As we've discovered, even the weather in the desert can hold surprises. Wasn't that a fascinating dive into the science behind Dubai's unexpected downpour? We've journeyed through the dry desert climate of Dubai, unraveled the intricate science of rainfall, and discovered the cloud seeding phenomenon that's causing these unexpected showers. It's truly a testament to how human intervention can reshape the natural world. We've also explored the implications of this heavy rainfall, from the joyous celebration of life-giving water to the challenges it presents in a city more accustomed to sun than showers. So, what's your take on this? Do you think this is a positive development, or does it bring about more challenges than benefits? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so do drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Vibes Unleashed YT for more intriguing content. Until next time, keep exploring.